In this video, I am going to show you how to add drop-down menu in Elementor. So let's get started. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to add a drop-down menu to it. At first, we are going to create the drop-down menu for our website and then we are going to add that drop-down menu to the Elementor pages. So to do this, at first you need to log into your WordPress website dashboard and then from here we are going to hover over appearance and then menus. And now we are going to create the drop-down menu for our WordPress website. So I want to make this About Us page the drop-down. So I am going to hold it and drag it towards the right side. And as you can see that now it is set to sub-menu item. After that, I also want to make the FAQs menu drop-down. So I am going to hold it and drag it towards the right side. And now it is also in the sub-menu. After that, I am going to click on Save Menu. And as you can see that now our menu is saved. And now we will edit our website header and do all the settings for our Elementor drop-down menu. So now we are in the Elementor editor page and from here we are going to edit our menu. As you can see that currently About Us and FAQs are set to sub-menu and now we are going to configure them. So we are going to click on this pencil icon. And all the settings for this menu will be appear on the left side. Now if we check our drop down menu, as you can see that it's not looking good. So we are going to style it a little bit. From here we can change the alignment for our menu. Like we can make it to left align, center line or right align. Or we can also set it to stretch. But we are going to set it to center. After that, we can also change the icon for our drop-down menu. Just click on it. And from here, we can change the icon for our drop-down menu. So now we are going to style our drop-down menu a little bit. For this, we are going to click on Style tab. And here we'll see a drop-down tab. So we are going to click on it. At first, we are going to change the background color of our drop-down menu. So here we'll see background color tab. So next to it, we will see a color palette. So we are going to click on it. After that, I am going to drag it towards the right side and we are going to set it to white. So now if I hover on my drop down menu, it will look like this. We can also change the text color for our drop down menu from here. We are going to set it to black. Also, we can change the font for our drop down menu. So just click on this pencil icon from here. And here we will see the typography settings for our drop down menu. And we can change the font family easily for our drop down menu. So we are going to set pop-ins for this one. After that, we can give our drop down menu horizontal and vertical padding if we want. And when we are done with everything, we are just going to click on update button. And in this way, our drop down menu will be updated. So now if we go to our website and refresh it, and here we will see our drop down menu with all the settings that we have done for this menu. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and